recipe to beat Naki. Spend 150 on the rich and Millie, spend another 50 on my bitch's titties. I done told you niggas that I run the city. I done told you niggas you ain't fucking with me. Want me, nigga, better come and get me. I'ma load the 30 while I'm sipping Henny. I'ma up and nigga hit you in your figgy. I done told you niggas you ain't fucking with me.
I like how she rock, 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 how she rock, 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 rock. I like how she rock, 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 rock.
Hey guys, it's your girl Kat and I'm back with another video. So today I'm doing this review on this $30 baddie on a budget sis. It is from the Shake and Go line. It is their Organique Mastermix. It's a closure 3 bundles pack deal, and we're gonna go ahead and get straight into this review. If you have not, subscribe, hit the bell, and stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is the finished look of the unit. I apologize for not showing how I actually sewn on the closure and used the hot glue gun for the tracks, but there are videos out there on YouTube that shows that. So the only difference is that I customized my closure differently. In this clip here, I'm just exposing the inside of the cap. You can clearly see where I used the hot glue gun for the tracks. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut the inside of the cap to expose the closure on the outside. And the adhesive of my choice, I've used the Gots to Be gel, and I did 2 layers of that and then pulled out my blow dryer to make it tacky before laying down the lace. So after cutting out that piece and trying on this wig, I look crazy. Like, sis, what? Crazy. This body wave is just not hitting for your girl. But eventually I realized that and went ahead and used a flat iron to straighten this hair. But before I did that, I went ahead and just focused on the closure area, getting it as flat and seamless as I can. And then I eventually worked my way through the actual hair and then used a few products. So the only products that I end up using on this hair is what you see here, the mousse. I didn't want to put too many products and then like make the hair heavy and like weigh down or whatever the case may be. So literally the only 2 products I used was the Gots to Be glue for my adhesive and then a little bit of mousse and heat products, which was the hot comb and the blow dryer. And this is the final look. Yes! Oh my God, girl, I am loving how she came out on $30 too, sis. Baddie on a budget. Like, what? Look at that hairline. Melt effect, you know, no leave out, you know, all wig, all DIY wig, all made it yourself wig. Like, yes, come through $30. Come through beauty supply store, because that's exactly where I purchased it from. Don't sleep on them because they do have some bangers, okay? So go ahead and hit up your local beauty supply store, sis. Yeah, girl, let me know in the comment section down below. What do y'all think? Is she hitting for you guys? I apologize, my voice is just not up there. It is too early in the morning, but I really had to get this out because, girl, she got your girl excited. Like, yes, like, it's $30 well spent, sis, okay? So if you have not subscribed to your girl, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you at my next upload. Later.